Brothers and sisters of Manipur, for nearly 50 days, we have witnessed a great human tragedy unfolding in Manipur. The unprecedented violence that has devastated the lives of people in your state and uprooted thousands has left a deep wound in the conscience of our nation. I express my condolences to all those who have lost their loved ones. I am deeply saddened to see people forced to flee the only place they call home and leave behind all that they have built over a lifetime. It is heartbreaking to witness our brothers and sisters who have coexisted peacefully turn against each other. The history of Manipur stands testament to her ability to embrace people of all ethnicities, religions, and backgrounds, and the myriad possibilities of a diverse society. It takes tremendous trust and goodwill to nurture the spirit of brotherhood, and a single misstep to fan the flames of hate and divisiveness. Today, we are at a vital crossroads. Our choice to embark on the path of healing will shape the future that our children will inherit. I appeal to the people of Manipur, especially my brave sisters, to lead the way in bringing peace and harmony to this beautiful land. As a mother, I understand your pain, and I appeal to your good conscience to lead the way. It is my sincere hope that over the coming weeks and months, we set out on the long journey of rebuilding trust and emerge stronger from this trial. I have immense hope and faith in the people of Manipur, and I know that together we will overcome this ordeal.